Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we will learn how to create a page in WordPress. So let's have a look. So firstly we are logging into the dashboard and here from the menu there is an option page and there is an option add new page. So we'll click on the add new page. Now we are here in the editor from where we can create a page. And I'm going to call this page as meet the team. I'll write the title meet the team. The idea of this page is quite simple. It's a business website, let's say, and it's meet the team of the business. So it's just a page on the website. It's not related to any other page. So now firstly I'll write the heading title here. After that I will write the name of the team member. So I'll put the name of the team member here like it's Andrew Wilson. Right? So I'll make it a heading and it's H2. It's okay. Now next here I'm going to add a block and I'm going to add a column here. I'll choose the column, I'll select the layout, then I'm going to include the photograph and some information. Here I will include the photograph. So in this, here's the option image and I'll upload the image from the media library. Here is the image. I'll select that and click on the select. It's get uploaded on the page. Now on the right side I will write the designation. I'll select the paragraph. I'll write the heading. After that, I'll write the email of the person. It's wilson@gmail.com. Right? Now here I'll write a paragraph and again next here I'll add the heading. It's Sudhanshu Kumari. So I'll make it heading. Again I'll make columns here. Here again I'll add a picture image. I'll upload the image from the media library. Now I'm going to select here. Again this side I'll write the designation. It's customer relation manager. Now sudhanshu@gmail.com. Now here again I will paste the text, and now you can see we have added the two persons, we have added the image, we have added the paragraph, we have added the heading, we have added the email ID, we have added the designation, we have selected the columns, the layout, how it looks. So in this way we have created a page named as Meet the Team. So I'll click on the publish. Here I'll make it public. Now I'll click on the publish. Now it's publishing. And now here I'll click on the view page. Now you can see our page is created. Now this is our web page that will looks in the website. You can see this like this. This is a page that we have created. This is the heading, title, and this is the name of the person. This is their designation, email, and about him. Similarly, second photograph, the designation, email ID, and the photograph. So in this way we have created a page, and in the page we have inserted image, we have uploaded the image from the media library, we have added the paragraph, we have added the title, we have added the headings. We can change the heading style from H1, H2, H3, so on to H6 according to the requirement. So in this way we can create a simple page in the website. So in the next video we will learn that how we can create a post in the WordPress. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy.